Oh, hello there. So this is a new setup, mainly because I want to show you guys my new chair, but I realized that you can't even see it because you can barely see the cushion. So anyway, so today's video is going to be a styling video. There have been a lot of things trending right now in fashion. I'm not sure if it's because of the season, because it's summer and spring and everyone can be basically half naked, aka me, and can experiment with their style. I want to show you guys all the different ways you guys can style these trends. I also want to put a little twist to it because my style is different from a lot of other people's styles. I wanted to style these pieces using different styles, so hopefully there is an outfit in my video for everyone. This video is sponsored by Boohoo, so all items featured in this video will be linked down in the description box for you guys to check out. And with all that being said, let's jump into this video because we got a lot of outfits to go through. It's like 28 items. No, I think it's 25 outfits. That's a lot. It's like probably the biggest I've ever done. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first summer trend are these really cute summer dresses with the ruffles and the patterns. I usually like to style them with a cute purse or backpack. So this is my fluffy backpack and I paired it with a nice pair of white heeled sandals and some pearl hair barrettes. It's a cute little girly, fun look. However, if you just want to be a comfy hoe, you know, you could always switch out the heels for a pair of sneakers and ankle socks. It's a nice little picnic date look. You're not trying too hard, but you also want to look a little flirty. I also threw on this cropped white jacket to make it a little bit more casual. And you know, if you're just not feeling a dress that day, you could always tuck your dress into some pair of pants to make it into a top. I'm using a pair of pink pants to make the look a little bit more monochrome. And for shoes, I'm wearing these clear heels, which are terrible to put on because they scrape your foot, but they look really cute on. So I've been noticing loose men's shirts have been trending a lot this season. It's not really a new trend to me because I always wear men's shirts, but if it's a new trend for you, here are some ways that you guys could style it. I normally would style it with a grommet belt and some chain detail, or any statement belt would work. And then I also threw on these knee-high platform boots, which by the way are a new purchase and I love them so much, but it does take a lifetime and a half to put them on and take them off, but they really do go with every outfit. Or you guys could try a different silhouette and tuck the shirt into a tight mini skirt. I finished off the look with some O-ring booties and a beret. You know, to be honest, I don't really know what this style is called, if it even has a name, but I kind of feel it to be a little urban-ish, if that makes any sense. I don't know, for some reason every time I put on a beret I always get that cool girl vibe, even though I'm not that cool girl. You guys could also throw on some boyfriend fit jeans and a basic belt. This is also the other way that I style them, but if you want to be a little extra, a little sexy, you could throw on a bralette and then turn the top into a front tie top. Literally, this is like the epitome of stealing your boyfriend's clothes because everything except for the bralette is from the guy section. Alright, so obviously mini skirts are a staple when it comes to spring and summer fashion, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to style a patterned mini skirt, like gingham for instance. Usually I would just style the skirt with a graphic tee and just tuck it underneath and throw some Nikes or some Docs and just call it a day. It's easy, it's comfy, I mean like to the extent of comfiness that a skirt can ever be, but it looks like you put some effort into your outfit, you know? Also, I just want to point out that the shirt says withy. I just want to say that before anyone else calls me out on that. And if summer is a little chilly in your area, you guys could also throw on a lightweight crop sweater and some platform booties or maybe some Docs in my case and just call it a day. For a more sexier look, just take a white button-up blouse, tie it in the front, and then push the top behind your shoulders to create an off-the-shoulder top. I also finished off the outfit with some white lace-up booties. To be honest guys, I was going for a 90s look, but for some reason it ended up giving me a country vibe. I don't know if it was the gingham mixed with the white booties, but it looked like I could be a part of the Old Town Road music video and I actually kind of like it. And just in case you guys were wondering what I listened to in the background, Alexa, play All Night by BTS on Spotify on repeat.
BTS World Original Soundtrack.
For me, the neon trend is something that I would actually wear to a minimum. It's not my favorite of the trends, but I still think it's pretty cute. Personally, I would just keep it as an accent. So pairing a bikini or a crop top with some loose fitting jeans, my Docs, and a matching denim jacket is how I would normally wear the neon trend. For a more fun look, you guys could pair it with a mesh top, a mini skirt, and some platform boots. And to be honest, I don't really know what to call this style, but it's definitely a look. So we're gonna just call it festival style. Ooh, okay, so this top, I've been so obsessed with this top. It's a new DIY that's coming out next week. I've literally worn it 4 days straight. I am not kidding, but these are the Peasant crop tops, or I'll show you guys how to style a white crop top in general. One way that I would style this top is with a mini skirt and some chunky white sneakers and some statement earrings. Literally, who allowed me to wear my hair like this? Seriously. If mini skirts are not for you, you could always change it out for a maxi skirt, a satin one like this one, and you have the ultimate blogger look, because I swear every single blogger has worn an outfit like this. Oh, okay, look at me. Hoops and a bun. This is like the ultimate blogger look. I am now a blogger. I honestly didn't think I would like this look, but after wearing it, I would definitely wear this outfit. Throw on a pair of black overalls and some platform sandals for a country chic look. I'm not even sure what to call this. Someone help me. I thought it was a cute outfit, so I included it in this video, but I have no idea what kind of style this would be called. Now that it's summer, the skimpy hoe dresses are coming out to play, so here are some ways that you could wear your club dress out in public. The dress itself will always be sexy because it's a lace back bodycon dress, okay? But the boots and the oversized denim jacket make it a little bit more casual, like a point of casual to where I could go out in public to the pet store and pick up food for Oliver. You know, that kind of casual. People don't know this, but the 80s is actually one of my favorite decades for fashion. So for this look, I paired it with a houndstooth waist belt and some black pumps. You don't really see many people pairing a club dress with a belt, but for some reason this one works, or at least in my opinion. I also think the dress is really cute as a top, so just tuck it into a pair of loose-fitting jeans, add some matching heels for a semi-casual look. Some people really dislike this trend, but I fall into the category that likes the trend of utility wear. You can obviously wear it as is, but that's a little boring, so to spice it up a little bit, I added a bralette, a buckle belt, and some platform booties. Also, if you don't want to show skin, but you also don't want to be a boring girl, you can layer a long sleeve underneath your romper. This one is a sheer turtleneck, so it's okay to use. And I swapped out all the black for a white belt and white shoes. To be honest, guys, this looked a lot cuter in my head, but then when I tried it on, I ended up looking like a karate kid. The little black dress is an ongoing summer trend until the earth dies, I swear. I usually like to just throw a waist belt on that bee and then add some cute black sandals for a nice 90s look. If you're into layering, you can drape an oversized shirt off your shoulder and then add some booties. This is also a good way to style cow print, which is a pretty big trend this summer as well. Another fun way to layer is to wear tees under your dresses. This one is a little more of a basic outfit, so I wore a sock garter for an accent. And yes, guys, a sock garter is a thing. Obviously, this outfit is inspired by Blackpink, if you guys couldn't tell already. And even though this is a trend of all seasons, I thought it would be still fun to include it in this video. So the trend is your good old graphic tee. And the way I wear my tees 99.9% of the time, oversized as a dress. I added a harness to cinch in my waist and decided to wear the boots that take forever to put on and to take off. Why did I do this to myself? And if you want to make the outfit a little bit girly, just throw on a skirt, because I don't know, for some reason I just feel like skirts make an outfit curly. And then to finish it off, just throw on some booties and a beret. And if you want to be that girl, because who doesn't want to be that girl, you could throw on a belt to make it a little bit more edgy. And the way everyone and their mom styles a graphic tee, a good old t-shirt and jeans. To style it a little bit more, I added some high white socks with my Nikes and a shoelace as a belt. This is definitely my go-to if I don't wear it as a dress, just because it's comfy and I want to look like I tried to put my outfit together when I put no effort into it at all. And that is a wrap for my summer styling video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, let me know by giving me a big thumbs up for this video. Don't forget, all the items are linked down in my description box. And if you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. That's it for today's video. I love you guys all so much. Happy styling, happy trending, happy style experimenting. I'm not sure. But yeah, I love you guys all so very much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!